We're back in Wenatchee at Rail Station and Ale House. Live music, a unique historic setting, and amazing food all come together to create a night to remember, whether you're on a date or just hanging with some friends.
It's a great vibe.
It's one of those places where you want to have a good experience and then you come back.
With the fireplace, the live music, the lights of the bar, kind of feels like you're kind of home.
You know, I like to come to work. I get to see smiles. I get to see people thank me.
Owner and chef Todd Mill enjoys seeing happy customers, and when the food is made with such incredible local ingredients, there's no way anyone's going home without a smile.
At the end of the day, I'm just a service guy. It gives me pleasure. It fills me to feed people, to be honest.
You know, you get more asparagus. In the winter, you got potatoes less than 30 minutes away. Like, it's just great to have a lot of local produce and be able to support the local farmers.
Just pay attention to what we have right here. The Northwest is a bounty of beautiful things, and we spend too much time talking about what we don't have when we have so much that other people want. Apple capital of the world, right, Wenatchee?
So you and I get to cook today. What are we gonna make?
We are going to make what I call Orchard Salmon. It's a fresh king Chinook salmon from Washington State that we got in yesterday. And we're gonna pair that with some of our local fruit and some other fun flavors. I think you're gonna enjoy it.
Sounds delicious. Okay, I can't wait. Cheers.
Cheers, let's get cooking.
Forward to it. We have a very special guest today.
It's the king,
It's the king.
Chinook salmon.
Okay.
It's so forgiving because it's got such high fat content that, I mean, it is the favorite for the home cook.
Ooh. And you're so lucky to be surrounded by all of this
Yeah,
amazing
you
food.
tend to forget about it, but every now and then you realize how lucky you are.
Yeah. Okay, well, thank you for all that you've done for us.
The king.
We're gonna eat you a little bit later.
These are local d'Anjou pears from Pyrus Orchards, who's through Blue Star Growers.
Perfect. I'm gonna do it my way. You do it your way.
I won't judge.
You do it your fancy,
I won't
schmancy.
judge. There's no fancy way, I don't think. My kitchen manager left me a special knife just for you to cut this pear. So there you go. We're gonna have you go ahead and just slice that up nice and thin with that.
Right. No problemo.
Just kidding.
I need to be a little bit taller.
I wish I was a little bit taller.
I wish
I was a baller.
Right.
We season the salmon with some salt and pepper, then it's time to put them in the oven.
Yeah, this is a Himalayan salt block. Some people say that they get the salt flavor in it. I've never really noticed it, to be honest with you, but I like cooking on
But
it.
you like cooking on it, and it just sizzles away.
Next, we coat the pears in some balsamic vinegar and honey. Then they go in the oven to roast.
This next step looks like fun. What are we gonna make?
We're gonna make the apple fennel butter.
Apple fennel butter.
These are sugar bee apples from
Okay.
Chelan Fresh. Got a nice sugar content in the skin that caramelizes well for us.
A buttload of butter.
Butter. So,
A lot of butter.
you want to cook this thing?
Yeah, let's do it. I'm always impressed with the pros' knife skills and how these are just
That
so
took probably 18 hours for me to do.
perfect and tiny.
Yeah, and I realized when I was doing it, because I was doing it mindlessly, that it's going into a food processor afterwards. I could have literally smashed it with a mallet and stuck it in there. And,
Oh, well, they look beautiful.
yeah.
We brown the butter with some fennel and about half the apples. Then, time for a secret ingredient.
Secret ingredient,
Secret ingredient.
just to give us that extra caramel touch.
Watch my bangs.
Fire in the hole.
That was awesome.
Like, did that just for you.
We put the rest of the butter and the cooked apples into the food processor and blend it up. Then we add some chopped fennel frond and some of the uncooked apples.
Very good. I can't wait. I'm getting hungry. Are you getting hungry?
Me too. Actually, I'm hungry.
Yeah.
Yeah. I meant really.
Yeah.
Not only for the show,
Yeah.
I'm actually getting hungry. So what do you say, Christy? You ready to try it?
Oh, yeah.
Let's do it.
I've been ready. I've been ready since you brought out all of the
Ever since we
all of
started?
the raw ingredients. Yeah. Delicious. I'm doing the happy dance. Super rich salmon flavor. But then I get the sweet from the balsamic.
Yeah.
A little crunchy from the pear and the richness of the butter.
But it just
Like,
finishes off, right?
It does.
Yeah, it opens up in your mouth at the end. You
Yeah.
get that little bit of anise is what you can't place. To me, it's just good.
Just good.
We're not wine tasting here. I'm not getting a little bit of black currant in the back of my throat. It's got a jammy.
Washington grown, local.
Everything's better with butter.
Everything's better with butter. And I'm gonna keep eating because that was a really good bite. Cheers.
I saw all this hat.
For this and other recipes for the home chef, visit us at wagrown.com.